Ang punong abala, yan ang Philippine Retirement Authority, ang CEO at General Manager po ng Philippine Retirement Authority, si GM Bob Zozobrado. Good morning po Sir Bob, si Xander
morning
Pito
po.
at si Angel.
Good morning. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Opo. Ito hong balita po natin, no, parang 2 days ago na ba or parang mga, basta this week, no, naibalita natin ito. Ng Philippines daw po, ang world's #1 retirement destination. Ayon po yan sa expatriate group. Ano ho ba ang, is it a good thing or a bad thing po para sa ating bansa?
Naturally, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Kasi you have to realize na yung global retirement industry, buong mundo, is valued at 70 trillion US dollars. Kung tayo ang pinili na #1 retirement destination, natural, we can get a big chunk of that amount, 70 trillion US dollars. So it's a good thing for our economy, para sa bansa natin. Very good thing.
Opo. Sir Bob, ano po sa tingin po ninyo yung mga pangunahing dahilan, yung mga traits po ng mga Pilipino, bakit nila pinipili na dito po magretiro sa ating bansa kumpara po sa mga kapitbahay po nating bansa sa Asia?
It's basically dahil sa culture natin. We have a very welcoming attitude. Kinakausap ko itong mga retirees when they come. Pag na-approve na yung retirement visa nila, kinakausap ko sila, tinatanong ko sila, what made you choose the Philippines over the other Asian countries? Sabi kagad most of them, they always say, it's your welcoming attitude. They like the fact na madali silang ma-integrate sa community natin kasi we are so hospitable, and sabi pa nila, everybody's always smiling and they feel so welcome anytime. Kaya pinili na palagi ang Pilipinas.
Opo. Yun hong retirement visa, yun pong special resident retirees visa, ano ho yung mga nakapaloob dito, sir? Parang ilang taon po pwede at saka ano ho yung mga benefits nun?
Okay, ang basic, ang main reason din sa pagpili nila ng Pilipinas is madali kumuha ng retirement visa dito sa atin. Compared to the other Asian countries, mas madaling kunin yung SRRV natin, Special Resident Retirees Visa. And in a month's time, they can become a permanent resident. The nice thing about our visa is they get to reside permanently dito sa Pilipinas, pero they do not lose their citizenship. Passport nila, the same pa rin, where what country they come from. And they can travel in and out sa Pilipinas without asking permission sa Bureau of Immigration. And ang maganda pa is they can work dito. All they have to do is register sa Department of Labor and Employment. They can work. In fact, most of the general managers sa mga luxury hotels natin dito ngayon, they're holders of our retirement visa. And maraming mga South Koreans, they come and retire in the Philippines kasi gusto nila yung mga anak nila i-enroll nila sa mga universities natin to study English. And itong benefit pa ng visa is hindi na nila kailangan kumuha ng student visa para sa mga anak nila. They are treated like a Filipino citizen. They can enroll anytime.
Sir Bob, ano-ano po mga rehiyon po sa ating bansa yung pinaka nakikita nating popular bilang retirement destination at bakit po?
Ang ang mga retirees, ang unang concern nila is they must be malapit sa medical facility. That's #1. Then ang next nila is they want to be near a shopping mall. Okay? And #3, they want to be near a golf course. So, yung tatlo na yun, ang hinahanap nila. So, most of the retirees, about 60% of them are in the Metro Manila area. Metro Manila. Tapos, ang second biggest concentration nasa Central Visayas, basically Cebu. And then the third would be Central Luzon and Calabarzon, that area. So, pero we have retirees all over the Philippines. Bawat region sa Pilipinas, meron tayong foreign retiree. Meron nga tayo sa Tawi-Tawi, meron tayo sa Cordillera, meron everywhere. They're all over the place.
Opo, kasi parang iniisip ho namin sa mga isla po,
Oo,
no, yung
mga
mga
dagat.
beach, dagat, ganun po eh.
Oo. Marami silang in fact, meron silang, I have a I don't know, familiar ba kayo sa The Letterman, yung singing group?
Opo, opo. Andito sila?
Oh.
Dito ba sila nag-retire?
Dito sa Dumaguete.
Oh,
Yeah.
opo.
So, before they retired, nag-email siya sa akin na gusto nila mag-retire in a place na malapit sa dagat daw, malapit sa mountain. So ako, Cebuano kasi ako, so I
Oo.
offered them different locations in Cebu. So about a month later, nag-email sa akin, sabi nila, oh, we have already chosen Dumaguete. So, nasa Dumaguete sila.
Opo.
Yeah.
Kasi po talagang, tsaka po 'di ba sir, halimbawa po, Sir Bob, if one decides na halimbawa, dito kami sa Dumaguete and then after kunwari 5 years, pwedeng lumipat 'di ba
Lipat.
ho ng ibang island naman, kumbaga ibang putahe naman.
Ibang region, kumbaga.
Exactly, because para silang Pilipino talaga na they can choose to go anywhere in the Philippines kung gusto nila. Ang ganda kasi nitong retirement visa natin is they are treated like a Filipino
Filipinos.
citizen. Yeah. And they can travel and they are the biggest supplier ng domestic tourism natin. Domestic tourists. Kasi itong mga tao na to, may marami silang pera. So, almost every weekend, nagbabiyahe yan sa iba-ibang parte ng Pilipinas.
Opo. Kamusta naman po ang ibinibigay po natin sa kanilang healthcare? Kumbaga po, 'di ba, ang mga pangkaraniwang Pilipino kapag po pumunta sa isang public hospital, medyo kulang po ang
Pipila ka pa.
pipila ka pa. Yung mga ganun po pagdating po sa health naman.
Okay. Wala tayong problema dito sa mga major cities kasi marami tayong mga gandang hospital sa major cities. And then, yung ginawa pa namin is that kapag MOA signing kami with PhilHealth, na lahat ng mga retirees namin can avail of PhilHealth.
Oh.
So,
mhm.
so they're now availing of PhilHealth plus nagbibigay pa ng discount ang PhilHealth sa kanila. So, para sa yearly membership fee sa PhilHealth, may discount yung mga retirees natin. And so they can avail ng PhilHealth benefits. Plus, doon, yung mga sa retirees na sa mga provincial areas, we know that there is quite a challenge for the medical facilities. Ang ginawa namin, we talked to the LGUs, the mayors, the governors, na the need for improving healthcare facilities in their areas. Plus, nakipag-tie up din kami sa mga ambulance services, helicopter services na in case merong medical emergency in some place in a town sa probinsya, pwede namin airlift kaagad sa city for a better medical facility. So we have that in the meantime. But we are hoping for more investors sa mga hospitals doon sa probinsya.
Sir Bob, base po sa datos po ng PRA, gaano po kadami na yung mga retirees dito po sa ating bansa at gaano po yung inilaki nito versus kung ikukumpara po natin sa mga nakalipas na taon at ano po yung mga nationality po nila, Sir Bob?
Okay. Ang PRA was put up in 1985 by President Marcos Sr. Since that time until now, meron na tayong 84,000 plus na nag-avail ng retirement visa. 84,000 plus. Of course, right now, as of today, that total naging 62,000 na lang kasi marami namang nagpalit ng visa nila. When they get married to a Filipino citizen, hindi na nila kailangan yung retirement visa. They now get a 13A visa, which is a dependent of a Filipino citizen. So, nabawas sila doon sa count natin. Pero they're still, nandito pa rin dito sa Pilipinas sila. Then some of them, of course, passed away. Some of them went back to their countries. So, naging 62,000 active retirees na lang as of today. And the concentration nila is the biggest number is People's Republic of China. We have a little over 30% of them come from People's Republic of China. Tapos ang second biggest would be South Korea.
Mm.
And then third, India. Number 4, ang USA. Number 5, ang Taiwan. Number 6, ang Japan. 7 is Hong Kong Chinese. And then 8 would be Germany, and 9 would be Australia, and the rest would be a little over 5% for other categories. Basta yung retirees natin, we have, as of now, as I said, 62,000. They come from 150 countries from all over the world.
Opo. Maaari din ho, ang nabanggit niyo po kanina, pwede ho silang magnegosyo dito. Pwede rin ho ba silang bumili ng lupa? Inaalaw ho ba ng batas?
Hindi. They are allowed, pwede silang bumili ng condominium unit,
Unit lang.
pero they're not allowed to buy house and lot.
Opo.
Pero kung may asawa na silang Pinay,
Pwedeng sa asawa
Iba-
po.
Pwede, may asawa silang Pinay, then the wife, ang asawa nila, can buy a house and lot, but under the name of the wife.
Opo. Mhm.
opo.
Oo.
Sir, meron bang...
It can be like that. It can be done.
Opo, curious lang ako. May mga case ba na hindi po na-approve yung kanilang ano?
Retirement visa.
Oo,
Meron.
Ano
Meron.
pong dahilan?
Lalo na ngayon, na after the Pogo incident, meron din kami na tina-turn down na the moment, kasi di ba, malaking problema natin noon yung Pogo.
Yes. Mhm.
So, pinalis silang lahat ng Bureau of Immigration. Some of them wanted to come back. So, when we found out na may history sila sa Pogo, we disapproved. We did not allow them in.
Opo. At very busy po ang PRA dahil po dito sa balitang ito. Ano ho yung mga proyekto po na binibigay po natin sa kanila, and ano pa ho yung mga ina-expect po nila na ipagkakaloob po ng Philippine Retirement Authority?
Yung PRA kasi dati, ang main preoccupation ng PRA na mag-issue ng visa sa kanila. Pagkatapos,
Wala na. Mm.
So ang ginawa namin, since 2 years ago, we wanted to make them feel special, cared for. Kasi utang natin sa kanila na pinili nila ang Pilipinas. So we wanted them to be special while they're here. Kaya ang ginawa namin, meron kaming bagong We Care program na nag-umpisa yan last year. We Care program. CARE is an acronym for Creating Amazing Retirement Experience. CARE. So every month, meron kaming activity para sa kanila all over the country. Halimbawa, this month we are going to do wellness activities. We treat them to a spa, we treat them to massage, mga yung ganon, wellness activity. Then last time we had a wellness seminar, we have ballroom dancing for them, we have golf tournaments, we have sports activity, yung mga ganon, para to keep them busy, para masabi nila na it's worth staying in the Philippines.
Opo. Maraming
Sir Bob,
salamat po.
Thank you so much po sa uulitin pong muli.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa Philippine Retirement Authority ang